was a 46. I don't know if there was cab over. It may have been a pickup.
Huh?
I didn't know there was a metallic in there earlier.
That's actually Gold Dust.
Is it really?
Yeah. Yeah, because the sun didn't come
Yeah,
out.
I know we never saw any sun.
But see, But see, it was out for a little bit today, and I think that's when you saw it, you know. I mean, the sun hit it for about 20 minutes. Did we say on the title? It's got wooden seats in it. The guy that I bought it from repainted the seats. That's not opening up. But it's in real nice condition. It's on a trailer with 3 new tires. All new tires because they suck so much they dry rotted. So he just bought new tires. They got to put I had to cover it there.
I thought we got everything airtight, watertight.